Oh, my eyes just stuck together then. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you are notified every time I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. And let's just get straight into what today's video is all about. Your girl just couldn't resist. I made a different feelunique account so I could order another version of their beauty kit. So if you like to see what is in this feelunique's beauty kit, then just keep on watching. So if you aren't familiar with the feelunique beauty kit, it's basically a once a month thing that you can pay £12 and then £3.95 postage and packaging, which you will get gifted back to you in a gift voucher. And you basically get to pick 5 products, and they're kind of like deluxe samples, as you can see, from a big range of different products. And you also get a little free bag as well. And I really enjoy this. I love the fact that you get the postage and packaging back. I mean, it would make more sense for it to just be free. So I'll show you what I picked. So basically, I thought I'll have a little look to see what else they have. I wasn't sure when like my next one kind of renewed, and then when I saw that they had this bad boy from CLARINS, I thought I can't get it now. I'm just going to make a separate account in case it sells, so like completely goes. Because that's the thing with this beauty kit, is it kind of changes throughout the month, and some things get added and obviously some things will go. So I would definitely continue to keep checking it if you wanted to try new things from like luxury brands without paying so much money. Like £12 for the products that I've picked today is like unbelievable. But the first one is a CLARINS lip balm. This is the lip comfort oil, and this is in the Field Mint one, and it just looks like this. And to be honest with you, I honestly debated making another account just so I could order this again, and have 2 of them, because like the price of it, £12 like for this alone, never mind all of this, like is really good, because I think it's £20 for like the big one, and I don't know if they sell the little ones. I don't think they do. So I absolutely love this. It's just their comfort lip balm, instant light lip comfort oil. I've never tried this one. I've only ever tried like the original one, and I fell in love with it, especially throughout the whole time of me getting my lip fillers and stuff when my lips needed hydration. Like this is one that I went to. I've actually used like a full mini up, so I'm excited to see what the mint one is like, because I've saw like loads of different ones have like different scents, and there's like a honey sparkle one which I really want to try like on like the normal website. So I thought this is going to be a nice way of me testing a mint one without spending £20. So I'll show you what else I got. So another thing that kind of sucked me in, which I got in my last one, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out, is the HARDIE Moringa cleansing balm. This is 15ml, and this retails for £10 on its own anyway. So you pay an extra £1.50, you get to pick 4 of the products, and you get a free makeup bag as well. And obviously you get the postage and packaging kind of refunded. So I've got this as well. So I've got 2 of these now, which I'm ridiculously happy about. I absolutely love this. Like I did like a video before with like a really deluxe subscription box, and you got like a big version of the cleansing balm in there, and I used it all up, and it was absolutely amazing. Like I can't even spit my words out. It was really good. And the next thing that I wanted to pick up is from the brand By Terry. I've never tried anything from there, and Katie Meehan, I don't know if you know her, she's just like Instagram blogs and stuff. She's absolutely amazing. She's from Newcastle. I love her to like absolute pieces. She's so lovely, and she's helped me so much in like the YouTube world, even though she doesn't technically do like YouTube. I know she's done like videos before, but it's not like her thing that she does, and she's helped me so much with everything really, when it comes to like YouTube world and blogging as well. So this is something that kind of reminds me of her, so I thought I'm going to try it. It's something like a brand that she raves about. It's really pricey, so I thought it's perfect time to try it out. So this is a hyaluronic hydra powder, and I thought it'd be interesting to try a powder that's hydrating as well, and to try it underneath my eyes, because my eyes are always so dry. I had a facial today, so my skin is looking like really good. I was actually going to go on a night out tonight, and it got cancelled, so you see a lot of videos of me wearing this makeup because it is the best eyeshadow look I've ever done in my whole life. And I've just said this in a previous video, and it's been cancelled because there's a storm. Storm Dennis has arrived to Middlesbrough, and I can't go out. It's been thunder and lightning, and it's flooded in certain places, under bridges, roundabouts, etc. So this is what I'm doing instead, 10 o'clock on a Saturday night. So yeah, really excited to try this, and I think it's quite a decent size. Like it's 1.3 grams, but just to kind of try it out, like it's not a bad size. Obviously it'd probably go quite a lot if I used it all over my face, But for underneath my eyes, ooh, I don't know if you could see how that like come up then. I think it'd be really good. That looked like really, really finely milled. So I'm excited. Oh, and again, I'm excited to try it. Next up is another bougie brand. This is from the brand Saint Tropez, and this is their Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist for natural glowy skin. And it's just basically like what it says. It's a face mist to give you a little bit of like a fake tan. And I just thought it'd be nice to try it and see what it's like. It's pricey anyway, so I thought whilst it's on the little like beauty kit thing, I'm just gonna give it a try. And then last but certainly not least is a brand called GLAM, which you'll all know very, very, very well. And this is their Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So another cleanser, but like a bubbly one. So it says to apply to wet face and gently massage in circular motions, rinse and then pat dry. I've never tried anything from Glam Glow's kind of like cleansing part of it. I've tried like the actual mud masks themselves, and I really, really liked it. And I love the fact that like when it dries, you can see like where the little pores are on your skin and stuff. Like, it really fascinates me. But yeah, I thought I'd give this a try, and it's quite a decent size, 15ml as well for you to try out. So that is everything that I got in the beauty kit for £12, and then £3, and then £3.95 postage, which gets refunded back to you as a gift voucher. I did mention it in my previous video and in my pick and mix video, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to check that one out. That is like more like smaller kind of sachets and stuff, although I did get a really, really, really good size Charlotte Tilbury product in the sample like pick and mix one as well, so definitely recommend checking that out. You get 5 samples for £3.95, but you get the full amount gifted back to you in a gift voucher for you to spend on the website, so you basically get the samples for free. So yeah, I would really recommend them. And I thought what they used to do before is you get it gifted back to you, so you could then use that gift voucher for a future one, so you could continue to keep getting it and not have to pay the postage. However, I believe that has changed from like Bee and Briony, the YouTuber, contacting me and letting me know that that is something that's changed. So that's a shame, but obviously you're getting your money back for the postage anyway, so you might as well use that and get something on the website that you want to try out. I love anything from like the Matrix range, like the hair range as well, so I will definitely be like buying my shampoos and conditioners like through them gift vouchers instead, because you can use multiple ones, so it'll all add up anyway. But I just thought I'd put that out there as well, because I know I mentioned that in my previous video and I got really excited, and apparently it stopped, so it's a bit of a shame, and I don't get why they don't just do free postage, but whatever. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you on my next upload day on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, 6 o'clock UK time. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on, because sometimes I do upload like extra videos during the week as well, like especially like vlog style kind of stuff, or like declutters and stuff, because like, yeah, sometimes I just do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys.